Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my summer recipe, my mango float homemade ice cream. So guys, ito yung need natin na ingredients. 250 ml all-purpose cream. And then another 250 ml Mona Lisa whipping cream. 1/2 can of your Bravo condensed milk. 3/4 cup of Conaprol milk, and then 1 piece manga. Then you have crushed grahams. This is 1 cup. And 2 pieces ng yung buong grahams pa. In your mixer, mix first your Mona Lisa whipping cream and your all-purpose cream. Whip this one until medium stiff na siya. Kailangan yung all-purpose cream mo and your Mona Lisa, kailangan naka-chill siya ha. For this ice cream, you can make this one night before if you have party or pangkain ng kids. Once medium stiff na, pwede na natin ilagay si condensed milk and the full cream milk. After mixing silang apat, let's now put the grahams, yung crushed muna. Then, the mangoes. Ayaw mahulog. For one recipe of this, dalawang lalagyan ng microwavable yung kaya. Okay? Then, we can put the remaining grahams. Tapos, freeze natin to around 4 to 6 hours. Or, mas maganda overnight. Actually, nag-stock ako pag summer for my kids. Yan, tigas na. Wow! There you go, our mango float ice cream recipe. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!